If your goal is to monetize your long-form video fast, starting with short the wrong way can slow you down badly. This is why you should not start with short video content if you want to monetize your long-form content fast on YouTube. Let me say this here clearly. YouTube shorts are not evil. But if your goal is to monetize your long-form video fast, starting with short the wrong way can slow you down badly. That means can slow the monetization of your long-form video down badly. Some new YouTubers chase short because it looks easy, fast, and viral. But months later, they wake up with thousands of subscribers, millions of views, but no monetization, no loyal audience, and no long-form growth. Short-form content and long-form content are two different games, different audience behavior, different subscribers, different retention, and different algorithm behavior. In this video, I'll break down why you should start your YouTube channel with long form if monetization and growth is your goal, how short hurts long form creators if used the wrong way, how you can strategically use short to grow your long form content, and what to expect if you want to focus only on shorts. So if you are serious about YouTube monetization and income, this video will save you months of frustration. Now, the first one is why you must start with long-form videos if your goal is to monetize your long-form content and you intend creating long-form content on that channel. To achieve monetization for your long-form content, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And long-form content will help you achieve both at the same time. 1. Long-form content builds watch time fast. That builds your watch hours fast. A simple 10 to 15 minute video, if watched for 5 to 10 minutes, will help you build your watch time fast, especially when such a video goes viral. So that is one advantage of long-form content. 2. Long-form videos build trust and authority. People who watch your long-form videos get familiar with your voice, understands your knowledge, build committed audience. All these can lead to subscription, engagement, and income because they are all necessary for your monetization. 3. In long-form videos, you have better earning opportunities. That is better monetization opportunities. 4. Long-form videos also trains you as a creator. Yes, it trains you as a creator. With long-form videos, you'll be forced to learn storytelling, pacing, and also it helps build your confidence. We move on to why shorts can hurt your long-form content. Why I say you shouldn't start with shorts if your intention is to post long-form later. So this is why shorts can hurt your long-form content. If you've watched to this point, please hit on the subscribe button and also share this video. Now, these are the reasons why you should not start with short if you intend posting long-form videos later. Short viewers behave differently. They are for fast clip and their subscription is not intentional. They don't subscribe with any intention. They just subscribe because they want to subscribe, not because they want to keep watching your content. They also watch casually and build low committed audience. That is why when you post a long video of 10 to 15 minutes, your short subscribers or your short viewers hardly watch it. Once they click it and say that it's a long form video, they can easily swipe and watch something else. This hurts your channel because it gives YouTube negative signal that people are not watching your video. And if someone just click your video and swipe up, it will affect your click-through rate, then affect your views, gives the algorithm negative signal that people are not staying to watch your video. With that, YouTube will stop recommending your videos to your subscribers. Meanwhile, most of your subscribers are just for short because you started that very channel is short, so they will not watch the long form video. So YouTube will stop recommending your videos, and thereby it will lead to slow monetization process. That is how shorts hurt your long form videos. Another way short can hurt your long form video is that it will confuse the algorithm, because when you started the channel, you started it with shorts. So YouTube algorithm has marked that channel as a fast swipe channel, which means this channel is for short video content, and you later introduce long form content. You confuse the algorithm, because the algorithm will be confused where to push your long form content to, and this would lead to low views, low retention, low engagement, and slow monetization. The third way short can hurt your channel is that it gives you false motivation. This is because short can easily go viral. And when it goes viral, you have a lot of views, lot of subscribers in one night, in one day. And this will give you false motivation. While in reality, your long form content are suffering. Your long form content is not getting views, it's not getting the attention, it's not getting the recommendation. Fourth, shorts don't teach you retention. It doesn't teach you how to command authority, and retention on YouTube is everything. It leads to monetization. If you can retain audience, you can easily get monetized. So these are some ways that shorts will hurt your long form content. If you start your YouTube channel with short and your intention is to grow your long form content and monetize it, now we move over to how you can strategically use shorts to grow your long. First, make sure you start your channel with long form videos. Let YouTube algorithm know this channel is for long form video content. Start posting long form video content until YouTube knows that this channel is for long form video content. Make sure you gather viewers, retention, engagement, and commitment on that channel before you introduce any shorts. Grow your watch time to a reasonable length, and make sure you train YouTube algorithm to know that this channel is for long form video content. Okay, second ways to use short. You can use shorts to promote your long form video, such as creating hooks, teasers, highlights, and remix. You can use short to promote your long form video. After creating and posting your long form video, now you come back to create short video, maybe 15 seconds and 20 seconds video, introducing your long form video, adding the link or pin comments in the comment section, directing people back to the long form video. You can also remix your video. Yes, there's a feature on YouTube called remix, where you can remix your long form videos to short, directing people to watch the full video. You can always pin a comment in that short, direct people to watch the full video. If you don't know how to remix your video here on YouTube, kindly type the word remix in the comment, and I will create a video to show you how you can remix your video here on YouTube to promote that long form video. Short should support your long form videos, not to replace them. This is how you can strategically use short to promote your long form video, because the long form is your major target. And now, if you want to focus on shorts, that is, if you want to be a short content creator, this is what you will get. Let's be realistic. Short can give you quick subscribers growth, fast visibility, easy creation. That is, it's very easy to create short. You can create 2 to 3 shorts in a day. It's also good for awareness. It's also good for promotion and selling outside YouTube. You can post short on your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook easily. Before you say, yes, shorts is what I want to go for, have this in mind. The earning on shorts is very low, very, very low. Short earning depends on engagement. That is the likes, the comment, the share. Short earnings. You can have 100,000 views on shorts. Your earning there depends on the people that engage on that short video. Short earnings are very, very low, and you have low committed audience. Yes, low committed audience. The audience or short and low committed audience. Your videos must go viral for you to earn withdrawable amount on shorts. Low audience loyalty and quick burnout. Easily get burnt out from creating so much video in a day. If you are focused on short content, you can post up to 2 to 3 videos in a day. So you can easily burn out from posting shorts. Short monetization is free, but your earning is not stable. The possibility of you earning reasonable amount in a month depends on how viral and how engaging your video was. I'm sure you've gathered enough information watching up to this point. Why not hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share. This is my final advice to you. Before you post any video on YouTube or before you start your YouTube channel, ask yourself, what form of content do I want to create? Do I want to create shorts or long form content? If you want fast and serious monetization, that is, you want to earn well on YouTube, start with long form content. If you want exposure and subscribers, focus on shorts. If you want both, that is, you want to be posting both long form content and short content, start with long form content. Then you can strategically use short to grow your long form content. Don't allow the short to replace your long form content. I'm sure you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, informative, and educative. Why not take a second and hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and drop a comment if you are starting with short or long form. And if you've already started, what did you start with? Let's discuss in the comment section. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos. If you have any question, drop it in the comments, subscribe, turn on your notification for new video update, and don't forget to share this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.